Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market, and today we are featuring the best Firepit screen covers round, the RGJ 24-inch Firepit Spark Screen. If you're looking for a reliable, sturdy, and safe cover for your outdoor fire pit, then this is definitely one to consider. This heavy-duty fire pit screen is designed to provide maximum protection from flying sparks and debris while also allowing the fire to burn efficiently with good ventilation. Made from stainless steel, the RGJ fire pit screen is reinforced with 12 additional support bars, ensuring long-lasting durability. Unlike other covers, this screen doesn't easily deform or break under pressure, even with the intense heat generated by your fire. The 24-inch round screen is perfect for many different fire pits, and it comes with a convenient metal ring handle. This design allows you to easily lift and move the cover without the risk of burning your hands, even when the fire is still burning. The foldable fire poker that comes with the screen is another great feature. Not only does it help you safely tend to your fire, but it's also compact and easy to store, making it a perfect companion for travel or camping. What makes this fire pit screen stand out is its tight mesh design. It prevents sparks and embers from flying out of the fire pit, providing you with extra safety during those cold, cozy nights by the fire. The mesh is woven tightly enough to provide electrostatic protection while still allowing for proper ventilation to keep your fire burning brightly. It's easy to see why this product is a top choice for anyone who enjoys spending time around a fire outdoors. Installation is a breeze. You don't need to worry about complicated assembly. The RGJ fire pit screen easily comes together through a simple screw connection, and when you're done using it, you can take it apart and store it without taking up too much space. This collapsible design makes it perfect for RV camping, beach trips, or any outdoor adventure where portability is key. The RGJ fire pit screen is not just about safety. It's designed for convenience and practicality too. Whether you are hosting a backyard bonfire or camping by the beach, you'll appreciate how easy it is to use. The solid welded edging ensures durability, and the powder-coated finish gives it a sleek, modern look while also protecting it from corrosion and rust. Overall, the RGJ 24-inch fire pit spark screen is a top-tier option for anyone who wants to enjoy their fire pit with peace of mind, knowing that the sparks and embers are contained. With its strong build, practical design, and user-friendly features, it stands out as one of the best fire pit screens you can find. Whether you're a frequent camper or just love spending time outdoors, this fire pit screen is an essential addition to your outdoor gear. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews.